Can an LLC company sponsor an H1B visa? Yes, an LLC, limited liability company, can sponsor an H1B visa if it meets the requirements set by U.S. immigration law and the Department of Labor. The LLC must demonstrate that it has the capacity to employ and pay a foreign worker in a qualifying specialty occupation. 1. Requirements for an LLC to sponsor an H1B visa. Specialty occupation. The job must require specialized knowledge and at least a bachelor's degree or equivalent in a specific field of study. Examples: IT professionals, engineers, financial analysts, etc. Employer-employee relationship. The LLC must prove it has control over the H1B worker, including the ability to hire, supervise, and fire them. For sole proprietor LLCs, sponsorship may be more challenging for sole proprietorship LLCs because the owner cannot effectively demonstrate an employer-employee relationship with themselves. Business legitimacy. The LLC must be a legitimate business entity, registered with the state, able to provide evidence of operational capacity such as revenue, clients, or projects. Ability to pay the required wage. The LLC must demonstrate it can pay the prevailing wage or actual wage, whichever is higher, for the H1B worker's position. Evidence includes tax returns, bank statements, or audited financial statements. Second steps for an LLC to sponsor an H1B visa. Step 1. Determine job eligibility. Ensure the job qualifies as a specialty occupation requiring specialized skills and a degree. Step 2. Obtain a labor condition application LCA file, an LCA with the Department of Labor, DOL using Form ETA 9035. The LCA certifies the LLC will pay the prevailing wage. Employment conditions will not negatively impact U.S. workers. Step 3. File Form I-129. With USCIS, submit Form Y-129, petition for a non-immigrant worker, to U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS. Include supporting documents such as LCA approval, job description and qualifications, evidence of the LLC's ability to pay, e.g. financial documents. Step 4. Wait for approval. USCIS will review the application and issue an approval notice, Form I-797, if the petition is successful. Step 5. Employee applies for visa. The employee uses the approved Form Y-129 to apply for an H-1B visa at a U.S. consulate or embassy in their home country. Conclusion: an LLC can sponsor an H-1B visa if it meets the legal requirements, establishes a valid employer-employee relationship, and demonstrates the ability to pay the prevailing wage. While sole proprietorship LLCs may face additional scrutiny, careful documentation and legal assistance can improve the chances of approval. Consulting with an immigration attorney is highly recommended to navigate the process effectively.